Hi, I'm Brad Ericson, Director of Publishing at AAPC. We get a lot of questions about the tabs in our code books. If you're a regular coder, a student, or taking your first examination, you'll find the tabs will make your coding faster and easier. AAPC includes a page of stick-on tabs in every codebook to make it as easy for you as possible. This page is the very first in your book. Let's put some on. Let's take the first tab off. It says Guidelines. It's for the official guidelines section of your book. Take it off like this. Go to the first page of that section and place it in the upper right-hand corner, like this. Then, let's grab the Risk Adjustment tab and find the chapter on risk adjustment, and put it below the first one on the right-hand page. It doesn't matter that the chapter starts on the left-hand page. This will still help you find it more easily. Continue through the book in the same fashion. You should have 3 rows when you're finished. When I finish, it looks like this. You'll notice there are some extra tabs at the top. Those are for items that are specific to me and my work that I need to find quickly, that aren't included in the tabbed page. You're welcome to do this, and we encourage you to do so, regardless of whether you're working, a student, or an examinee. That's it. If you have questions about tabs or suggestions, please call AAPC. Happy coding!